I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Vantage Bulls. This is Amelia Murray with the morning announcements. Today is Tuesday, November 11th, 2025. Thought of the day. The best motivation always comes from within. Michael Johnson, gold medal sprinter. National Sundae Day falls on November 11th. Sweet. Dessert don't get much more dedicated than marshmallows, chocolate, or strawberry sundaes. So let's enjoy every minute of this day. You can visit a fun local ice cream shop or simply whip one up at home. It's a treat either way. Of course, anything ice cream related seems to brighten things up, but this one is especially enjoyable. Lunch today is breaded pork chop or crustless CPB sandwich with mozzarella cheese stick, garden bar, fruit, milk. Weather today is mostly cloudy with a high of 62 degrees. For library guidance rotation this week is gold. Today is Veterans Day, and we will be honoring all of the veterans who are part of Bennett Ranch community in our Veterans Day assembly this morning. Everyone have a great day. And remember, Bulls lead the way with wings.